Hello everyone, this is a short video on how to make a line graph. We're using the data points in this table to make our line graph. First of all, every line graph should have a title. The title of our line graph is change of temperature over a week. Next, we have a horizontal or side-to-side line. We call this line x-axis. In our graph, x-axis shows days of the week. We have another line, this time a vertical line, that we call y-axis. Our y-axis shows temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. I made sure to put the same distance between all my data points. It's just to make your graph look better and more accurate, especially if you on one side of it, if you have numbers, it needs to be the same distance from each other. I skipped one line here, so every one of these shows a +5. So if this is my 0, the point of origin, 5, 10, 15, 20, if you skip counting by 5, right? Now that your graph is ready, you can start, we can start plotting our data. We start on Monday, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I go on my x-axis, find my Monday, go all the way up to 40. You can mark it any way you want, with a cross, point, dot, circle, anything. I put a dot here. I move to the next one, Tuesday 45. So if this is 40, this is 50, the middle line is your 45. Start from Tuesday, go all the way, mark it. Wednesday. The Wednesday is 60. It got warmer on Wednesday. 60, mark it. Thursday 50, got 10 degrees cooler. Friday 55, 5 degrees warmer. Saturday we didn't have any change in temperature. It's the same as Friday, so not higher or lower. Sunday, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, goes all the way up here. You can always check your work to make sure you're in the right place. Now that all of your data points are there, you can start drawing a line, because this is a line graph between your data points. Make sure you're going in order, right? So Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday. And all the way to Sunday. You're done with your graph now. One advantage of using graph to show the data points is that you can easily and quickly see the information. For example, if I ask you what is the warmest day of the week, you can just look at the highest point and tell me this was Sunday. What was the highest temperature? You can just go to the temperature and tell me it was 70 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the coolest day of the week? Well, it was Monday, and it was 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just make it easier to access the data. Another thing you need to know about the graphs is you should be able to relate your graph with the data points you have. So if I give you a couple of charts and a couple of graphs and ask you which table goes with which graph, you should be able to tell me. To do so, you can just check for a couple of the data points. For example, Tuesday is 45. I'm going to find my Tuesday, go all the way up, and this is my 45. I'm going to check for another data point. Friday was 55. I find my Friday, go all the way. It's 55, yes. So this table goes with this chart. To practice more, I will post some charts and tables, and I ask you to find which table goes with which chart. Good luck and happy learning.